Have you ever seen the memory full prompt on your ChatGPT homepage? If yes, watch this video until the end. I'll show you how to free up memory space and personalize your ChatGPT experience. Ready? To remove the memory full prompt, start by clicking on your profile photo in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Settings. In Settings, go to General and select Manage Chats. Here, you can choose to delete or archive individual chats. Keep in mind that archiving still uses memory, so deleting chats is the best option if you want to free up space. Just click the delete icon next to any chat you no longer need, and it'll be removed. You can repeat this for multiple chats as needed. Another option to free up space without losing your chat data is to export your chats. Head to Data Control and click on Export. ChatGPT will send a download link to your registered email within 24 hours, allowing you to save your data externally. To further manage your chats, go to Personalization. Click the Manage button to delete chats individually, or clear all chats at once by clicking this button. Note that this action is irreversible, so make sure you want to delete all chats before you click on it. You can also set up custom instructions to help ChatGPT understand your background for more tailored responses. For example, I specified that I'm a market research analyst with 8 years of experience, so ChatGPT responds accordingly. You can set your preferences here and save them for a more personalized experience. You can also adjust themes and change the interface from dark to light mode and vice versa. Language settings are available too, allowing ChatGPT to communicate with you in your preferred language. There's even an auto-detect language option. This enables ChatGPT to adapt to any language you choose. The speech feature works primarily on mobile devices. You can choose a voice to interact with ChatGPT vocally, and ChatGPT will respond.
Feel free to ask me about anything that's on your mind. I'm ready to go.
It's a fun way to communicate and customize your experience. For more control, check out the Upgrade Plan section. It allows you to store more memory and optimize usage without restrictions. Lastly, ChatGPT also offers a custom GPT option in MyGPT, where you can create a personalized version of ChatGPT with your own instructions. However, you'll need a ChatGPT Plus subscription to access this feature. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more ChatGPT content.